I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integrations. Search and select MasterStudy LMS. Choose a form. Choose a course. Next. Now here search and select MailBluster. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key, go to MailBluster Dashboard. Click Setting in the bottom left side corner. Then click API Keys. Now click Create New button. Here, give a meaningful API name as you want. Now click the Create API key. API has been created successfully. Copy the API key. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the type. Now map the field. Here is an advanced feature available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to MailBluster. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your other WordPress user and go to the MasterStudy LMS site. Enroll now. Start course. Course enrolled successfully. Now navigate MailBluster dashboard and click the View All under Leads. Here is the data that came into MailBluster through the integration. Thanks for watching.